How to fix error 0xc000012d, application was unable to start correctly. 1. Update device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run sfc and dism as admin. Commands include, sfc/scannow/dism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 3. Run the affected application as an admin 4. Update Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. 5. Rollback Windows Update. 6. Allow full control to the app's exe file using some ownership taking tool. 7. Troubleshoot in clean boot mode. 8. System restored to a point before the error occurred.